Let me walk you through this SAP assignment where we will be creating a Visual Composer model which uses service components to simulate enterprise services. The model will be using the Wizard prototype. Okay, so let me log into Visual Composer and then go to model. I create a new model. I name it LU002 underscore employee underscore prototype. You name it with your own login ID. Repository is local. Use the same development component as we have used before. Okay, so say OK. Then drag the wizard icon here and name the wizard one as LU login ID employee prototype. Okay, now extend this and add steps. First, let me change step 1 to search employee. Then I add another step and add another step. Okay, my second step is called modify details. And my third step is called confirmation. Okay, now within each of these steps I will drag and drop a form view. Okay, form 1 is called search for employee. Form 2 is called details. Form 3 is called confirmation. Okay, now I have to build transition now. So from this yellow dot to this dot over here, the first transition is called search. Then I have to draw another transition from modify details to confirmation, which is called save. Okay, then I have to draw a transition from modify details back to search employee and call it back. Need another one from confirmation back to modify details and call it modify. And then I have one from confirmation to search employee, and that would be restart. Okay, so let me arrange this properly. Okay, so let me check one time and make sure that I've done it correctly. So this is in here. So I have search employee, confirmation, search and back, save and modify, restart. Okay, and then I have to add in the layout view, add fields within each of those. So within search employee I have to have one input field which is called employee ID and a search and a button which would be called search. Okay, so I'm here. I will add, first I have to go to the layout view. So in the layout view I will add an input field and I would add a button. The input field would be called employee ID and the button would be called search. Indent would be false. In the action I have to add a custom action and call it search. Close. So I'm done with search employee and I move on to modify details. Modify details would be called details and then I have to do the following things. So one is a plain text. I have to basically look into this table to see what I have to do. One plain text, 3 input fields, another plain text, then 6 input fields and 2 buttons. So one plain text, 3 input fields, another plain text, 6 more input fields, two buttons. Okay, now first plain text is called employee details and the font style is emphasized. Okay, then input 2, 3 and 4, they are called employee ID, first name, last name. Then text 2 is called personal address and emphasized. And then input 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are house, street, city, country, zip code, address ID. Okay, so then the buttons are called back and save and indent is false. Okay, then we'll move to confirmation, and in the confirmation I have to add a plain text which says your change has been saved, and it has to be emphasized, and then I have to add 2 buttons modify and restart. Restart. For both I have to do the indenting false. Okay. So far so good, and then I think I have to do some transition at this point. Okay, so with the back button I will be building the transition back to search employee, and the save will move me to confirmation. So come here, back, I will add the transition back, okay, and it will take me to search employee. Okay, and then save will be just a custom action save which will move me forward. Okay, then in confirmation I have to add two more transition. So modify, the transition is back, and it will take me to modify details, and restart, that's also back, but it will take me to search for employee. Okay, so I save my work, then I go back to my design view, okay, and I deploy. Now I open the HTML link. Okay, this is what I am getting. Let me try the flex link also. So I do the flex link, and I am getting what I should be getting. Good. So click on search, it will take me to modify details. Click on back, it should be taking back to search for employee. Okay, so again do the search and then do the save, it should take me to confirmation. It did take me to confirmation. Click on modify, it should take me back to modify details. Okay, now click on restart, it should take me to search for employee. So basically I am done with this assignment. Take a screenshot here, okay, then take another screenshot here, and then click on save and take another screenshot here. So you should be giving me 3 screenshots. Actually not, okay, this is, you can take the screenshots, but these are the these I do not want these screenshots. Okay, this is actually till page 15 of the assignment. Okay, so at this point I am in page 15 of the assignment. Okay, I am here, look at here, actually I am here right now. Okay, I stop here and call it first part of the assignment. Okay, I will, in my second part video, I will walk you through the rest of the assignment, and when you are done with part 2, then only you will give me screenshots for this assignment. Okay, once again, this is part 1.